Recording.
Night. Hello again. We are doing another phone call. Last time was an epic failure. But she said, no. I said, is your refrigerator running? She said, no. Like, whatever. Go, like, I guess you can go catch your life. Life here. So I'm going to try to refrain from laughing this time. I'm so sorry, my fans. Goodbye. Well,
Goodbye.
Just kidding.
Your eye. Oh, shit.
Hello?
Hello. I have a question for you.
What's this?
This is a survey.
Who?
This is a survey, you know, a survey. One question, ma'am. Is your refrigerator, you know, working perfectly?
Huh?
Is your refrigerator running?
Yeah.
But it's...
Well, I have one thing for you. Go catch it! Thank you!
Don't go to that phone back.